Hello, I have chosen to make a characterization of the main character in the story Karma, written by Khushwant Singh in 1950. The main character is Mohan Lal, and he is described as a well-dressed, handsome man with a well-trimmed moustache. He wears a pretty suit and has a good aroma. Mohan Lal is Indian, but he tries to appear as being English. You can see that because of the fact that he speaks English, wears a tie from Balliol, which is a famous college in Oxford, and he reads The Time, which is an English newspaper, and sits on first class in the train. He is embarrassed of being Indian, and so he tries to appear as being British. This quotation shows. This quotation. The mirror was obviously made in India. So Mohan smiled at the mirror with an air of pity and patronage. This quote symbolizes how he looks at his own people. The mirror is made in India, and he looks at this mirror like he looks at the Indian culture with an air of pity and patronage. You can also see his disgust towards India in this quotation. You are so very much like everyone. Like everything else in this country, inefficient, dirty, and indifferent. This shows how many prejudices he has towards his own culture and how arrogant he acts. You can also take a look at Mohan Lal's wife. Mohan Lal has a wife called Lakshmi Lal, who is complete opposite compared to him. They do not communicate with each other, and she is described as if he doesn't even like her, which you can see in this quote. She was short and fat in her middle 40s. She wore a dirty white sari with a red border. You can also see the contrast to the wife because of the fact that he sits in the first class with the English people, and she sits with the normal people. The themes in the story could be many, but I've chosen two themes. The first one is identity crisis. Mohan Lal is struggling to find his identity. He feels embarrassed about his own culture and tries to escape his identity and culture by acting like an Englishman. The other theme I've chosen is the famous quote, "Pride comes before a fall," and his arrogant behavior punishes him in the end, which is also the reason why the story is called Karma. And I've chosen to compare the story with another story I've read, Going Home, where in both stories we are following two men who are struggling to find their own identity. Both main characters is embarrassed towards their own culture and background, and they both have a culture crisis where they don't feel like they belong in the culture they live in and they were born in. So these two stories are very similar.